Hello everyone, this is Shelly and in today's video I will be sharing how to DIY sunscreen cushion, or is it called as cushion sunscreen? So yeah, whatever. So this is something that has been on internet from years and I tried it out some months back, and in between I was testing it out to see how practical it is to reapply your sunscreen, how convenient it is, and is it hygienic or not, because there are certain things that worries me regarding this DIY thing. So before I share my final opinion, let me show you how I made it, what things I used, and how much sunscreen I used, and everything regarding it. At first you will be needing a sunscreen. I'm using the Claire Soft Airy UV Essence. Go for the sunscreen that has lightweight lotion-like consistency. And you will also need an old cushion compact, and make sure that you have cleaned the cushion compact really well, especially the puff that you use for application and the sponge that holds the foundation. To clean these two, I have used the oil cleanser first and then followed up with Dettol, the hand wash, and you can use anything. And also make sure that you have cleaned the inside of the casing, and for this I have used the sanitizer and then cleaned everything with the tissue. Now pour the sunscreen into this container of the compact and fill only 1/4 of the spacing and not more than that. And now put back the sponge into this container and press it well so that the sponge soaks up all the sunscreen. And your DIY sunscreen cushion compact is ready to use. So whenever you need to reapply your sunscreen, just use this DIY sunscreen cushion compact for the reapplication purpose. I definitely liked the idea of this DIY because it is super convenient to use and doesn't occupy a lot of space in your bag and can be used anywhere and anytime. So here is my final opinion on this DIY sunscreen cushion, and I have been using it for a few months for the reapplication purpose, and I must say that it is definitely convenient to reapply your sunscreen without having you touch your face with your dirty fingers. But one thing that worries me is the hygienic part. I don't know if it's just the case with my DIY thing. The puff that I have used inside it, for some reason it never dries out. It is always damp, and this is why I'm worried, because this could become a breeding ground for many bacteria and all the dirty things which can cause breakout. And now you must be thinking that even foundation puff are always damp, but comparatively they are not this damp. They do tend to dry out by next day, but this for some reason doesn't dry out and always stays damp. So instead of going through the hassle of finding out a cushion case, cleaning it up, and then setting up everything, so instead of going through all this, I prefer to do something else to reapply my sunscreen. There are two ways you can reapply your sunscreen. One is definitely the sunscreen spray, something that I have not tested out for myself. So instead I prefer to use these makeup puff wedges. They are very convenient, they are easy to clean, and I keep them in a case like this. Like I put the puff inside this case and then close the lid, and I can move around with it very easily along with my sunscreen. So if I have to reapply, I always use these two stuff. So the application process was very easy, and this is the way that I follow for the reapplication purpose. And because you don't have to worry about the hygienic, you don't have to worry about your sunscreen drying out in this cushion, because that's something I'm bothered about. And also this technique can be used for the reapplication purpose on your usual makeup, like if you're wearing a light makeup, just a BB cream or a thin layer of your foundation, you can definitely follow up with this technique. But if you are wearing a full face makeup, like some bridal makeup, or if you are like on outdoor for some photo shoot, don't do this technique because it can mess up your makeup. For full face of makeup, the sunscreen spray are the best thing. And if you are in lookout for some good sunscreen for yourself, or if you are just confused like whether you should be using physical sunscreen or chemical sunscreen or hybrid sunscreen, then you should definitely check out this video over here, because here I have talked everything on sunscreen, shared my favorite, and how to like pick your sunscreen depending on your skin type and lifestyle. So do check out this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.